Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd share what's inside my vintage Coach handbag. This is actually a new to me handbag. I got it on Whatnot a couple of weeks ago and I am absolutely thrilled with it. It's such a cute little bag. It is so beautifully made. The leather is perfect and it was an absolute bargain. In case you haven't heard of Whatnot, it is a live shopping app. It's really, really good. You basically watch sellers and they do auctions and you just bid live, and it's really fun, really addictive, and you can get really good prices. I actually paid, I can't remember the exact amount, but I think I paid around £20 for this bag and I am unbelievably thrilled with it. And as you know, I have a huge Coach bag collection and I can tell you this is legit and it's gorgeous and I love it. So this is the bag that I'm currently using at the moment and I just think it's so cute. I'm going to quickly show you the bag and then I'm going to show you my contents. So this is the front of the bag. You can see the monogram. It's in like really good condition and it has a little bit of like patina on the leather, but in a way that like it makes it look better. You know, it makes it look a little bit more lived in. So this is the front. The leather quality is gorgeous. It's got all the brass hardware. And then on the side, we've got more brass hardware, more little cute details that they always put in a Coach bag. And then this is the back. There's a little bit of wear here, but nothing major. On the corners at the base, it's actually looking in really good condition. I'm smiling so hard because I love this bag and I cannot believe it's mine. And it costs so little. Anyway, let me turn it back around to the side. Amazingly, it still has its original luggage tag, and yeah, it's just in really nice condition. I think the only little bit of damage is somewhere here or here, I can't remember where. It's hard to see, but there is a tiny little mark on the front. Oh, here. That tiny mark on the front, and then on the back there's a little bit of wear here, but I mean it's the back, do you know what I mean? And it's like, it's an original vintage Coach bag for like £20. Who gives a damn? Anyway, let me open up the bag and show you the inside. So on the inside we have a little small pocket, which I actually think I've got empty. Yeah, it's completely empty. And then I have put some stuff in. You can see it's not completely rammed full, but there's a good amount of stuff in here. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So first of all, this is not my phone. This is my old phone. It's just a bit of a decoy phone because I wanted to show you that a phone could fit in. And this is the iPhone Max size, so like the bigger size of the iPhone, but that is not my actual iPhone. That is just an old one to show that it fits in. And then I've got some dino tails. These are kiddie sweets. My daughter loves them. I always make sure I have a bag in my bag because you just never know when there's going to be a tense moment and you want to be like, hey, do you want some sweets? Because you know me, I love to reward bad behavior. Anyway, here I have a dog poo bag. Because let's be honest, I'm a dog mum and sometimes you just need to carry around a dog poo bag and they do come in quite handy. You know, you just never know when you're going to need one. I've got a little bit of makeup. This is the Benefit Brow Pencil, an iconic pencil. If you've got pale brows and you struggle to find the right shades, look for Benefit, they're the best. And then I've got a L'Oreal lipstick, which is a little bit looking worse for wear because Mary has maybe played with it recently. And this is in shade, I think it's called La Rose Activist. An amazing shade. And then I've got a necklace because if ever I need to like just make my outfit a little bit more, you know, a necklace is always handy to have in your bag. I know that sounds crazy, but it's handy. It's handier than you think. And then next up I have a perfume. This is by Sana Jardin, who I love, and this is in Berber Blonde. I don't actually have the full-size bottle of this perfume. I only have a miniature. But it's lovely. It's really fresh and like a white floral. So pretty. I love their perfumes. They are such a good brand. And then I've got another lipstick because I am a lipstick addict. And I feel like if I'm wearing no makeup, but I'm wearing a bit of lipstick, I just feel a little bit like more pulled together. This is shade Miranda May. By the way, this is a lovely shade. Have a look. If you are buying anything from Charlotte Tilbury this Christmas, use my discount code. You'll get 15% off. I will put the discount code in the description box. I will also put my refer a friend link for Whatnot in the description box because if you haven't signed up yet, you get £10 free shopping credit, like literally free £10 to spend, like no strings attached, if you use my refer a friend link. So I will put that in the description as well. But make sure you use it because it will literally give you free shopping credit. Then I've got my keys, and I've got a hair bowl attached to my keys. Looks a bit weird, but if ever you need a scrunchie in a scrunchie emergency, this is good. And then I've also got on my keys, I've got one of those shopping trolleys, which I was so proud of myself for getting, because I thought this is going to change my life, because I never have a pound coin on me. I have not used this one time, but one day it will come in handy and I'll be really smug about it. Anyway, another brow product. This is by Benefit. Again, love their brow products. And then we are getting towards the end. Ibuprofen, because I am plagued with headaches. And then a little bit of cash. £5 note. I love a £5 note. You just don't get them enough anymore. And then another £5 note. See, I told you I never have pound coins on me. Then is there anything else in here? Yeah, my bank card. I'm not going to show you the front, but I am going to show you the back, because Mary drew on it the other day. So I don't even know if this works anymore. But yeah, I'll figure it out when I need cash and I can't get any out. Anyway, that is my bag. That is the contents. There was a little bit more room in here, so I could probably get some AirPods in. I could probably shove some stuff in this front section. I don't know, a bit more money, a few more cards. I could get a bit more in. Also, I'm going to show you the Coach label quickly so that you can see that my bag is legit. And according to this label, this bag was made in 2009. So it is looking incredible for the age. Can you believe how cheap I got this bag? Like, it is absolutely adorable, and like everything about it is just like, it's legit. Like, it's solid, legit Coach. I'm thrilled with it. It's gorgeous. And yeah, the quality of the leather, it's just so good. Coach bags get better as time goes on. Anyway, that's what's inside of my Coach bag. Do use my Charlotte Tilbury discount code. Do use my whatnot thing. And if I can find any other discount codes, I'll put them in the description too, because I do have a few. I'm trying to think what else I've got. I've got Miller Harris discount code, and I've got a Monica Veneda discount code if you like their jewellery, and that might be it. But I'll put them all in the description, and yeah, enjoy. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.